The people you see now are a couple and their young daughter. They fell in love and got married, choosing to build a life of their own, away from their families. Despite the challenges, they live happily together. The husband works as a train driver. Each morning, he gets ready and leaves for his duty, while the wife stays home, taking care of household chores. After finishing her tasks, she carefully washes and chops fresh vegetables and spices, preparing everything for cooking. The husband performs his duty as a train driver with joy and pride, finding happiness in his work every single day. After getting off the train, the husband stops by a local market to buy some groceries. There, he notices some fresh squid and decides to buy them before heading home. The husband hands the squid to his wife, and she is pleasantly surprised. She carefully washes and cleans them with water. Then, she cuts some of the squid for cooking, while keeping a few whole to fry later. Now, she begins the cooking. She places a pan on the stove, adds the right amount of oil, and then adds the spices: chili powder, turmeric, white pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaves, green chilies, and onions. As the aroma rises, she adds the vegetables like potatoes, capsicum, and tomatoes, starting to build a rich and flavorful dish. While driving the train, the man suddenly notices a small calf lying on the railway track. Without hesitation, he quickly applies the brakes and stops the train, then rushes to rescue the helpless animal. After waking up, their little daughter gets ready for school. Once she is ready, her mother hands her a lunchbox, and she happily leaves for school. Now, she adds a blend of spices to the whole squid: chili powder, turmeric, seasoning, and salt, mixing everything well. Then, she places a pan on the stove, adds oil, and fries the squid until it turns golden and crispy. After completing all the cooking, the husband, wife, and their daughter sit down together with the whole family and enjoy their meal. If you enjoyed this beautiful village life video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our Mini Crumb Kitchen channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any new videos. Thank you for watching.